Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today we will evaluate some definite integrals from exercise 7.11 of your textbook, and we will evaluate these integrals using properties. Here is the first question. Here we have to evaluate this definite integral, that's integral 0 to pi by 2 cosine square x dx. Now we put this integral equal to I, that I is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 cos square x dx. Now we have to find I. Okay? We know that by property of definite integrals, integral 0 to a fx dx is equal to integral 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Now we use this property in this integral and we get I is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 cos square. Here instead of a we have pi by 2, so we write pi by 2 minus x dx. That is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2, and we know that cosine of pi by 2 minus x is equal to sine of x, so we get sine square x dx. Okay, so I is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 sine square x dx. We name this as equation first and this as equation second. Now adding equation first and second, we get I plus I is equal to 2I. Adding first and second, we get 2I is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2. Here it is integral 0 to pi by 2. Here it is also integral 0 to pi by 2. So we can write integral 0 to pi by 2 cos square x plus sine square x dx. Okay, because we know that sum of integrals is equal to integral of sum. That is further equal to sine square x plus cosine square x is equal to 1. So we get thus we get 2I is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2. Now this is 1, so here we get 1 into dx, that's dx, which is further equal to x, limits are from 0 to pi by 2, or we can write 2I is equal to pi by 2 upper limit minus lower limit, so that is equal to pi by 2, or I is equal to pi by 2 into 2, so that is equal to pi by 4. So that is the value of I. Okay. Now our next question is here we have to evaluate this definite integral, that's integral 0 to pi by 2 square root of sine x divided by square root of sine x plus square root of cos x. Okay, now we put this equal to I, put I equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 square root of sine x divided by square root of sine x plus square root of cos x dx. Now we know that integral 0 to a fx dx is equal to integral 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Now we use this property in this integral and we get I is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 square root of sine of, now instead of a we have pi by 2 here, so we write pi by 2 minus x divided by square root of sine pi by 2 minus x plus square root of cos of pi by 2 minus x dx, or I is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2. We know that sine pi by 2 minus x is equal to cos of x, so we get square root of cos x divided by square root of sine of pi by 2 minus x is cos x, plus square root of cos of pi by 2 minus x is sin x, the square root of sin x dx. Now we name this equation as equation first and this equation as equation second. Now adding equation first and equation second, we get adding first and second, we get I plus I is equal to 2I equal to its integral 0 to pi by 2. Since limits are same, so we can use the property that sum of integrals of functions is equal to integral of sum of functions. So we get 0 to pi by 2, this plus this. In denominator we have cosine of x plus sine of x, and also here in denominator we have cosine of x plus sine of x. So we take square root of cosine x plus square root of sine x, and now in numerator we get square root of cosine x plus square root of sine x, okay, dx. That is further equal to its integral 0 to pi by 2, and this is 1, so we get 1 into dx, that is dx, that is equal to x limits from 0 to pi by 2. Now apply the limits, we get 2I is equal to, it is pi by 2, replace x by pi by 2, so we get pi by 2 minus, replace x by 0, minus 0, so that is equal to pi by 2. So we get to I is equal to pi by 2. That means I is equal to pi by 2 into 2, that is equal to pi by 4. That is the answer. So this completes the question. Now let us evaluate one more definite integral. Here we have to evaluate this definite integral. That's integral from minus 5 to plus 5 mod of x plus 2 dx. We know that mod of x plus 2 is equal to x plus 2 when x plus 2 is greater or equal to 0, or we can say when x is greater or equal to minus 2, and this is equal to minus times x plus 2 when x plus 2 is less than 0, or when x is less than minus 2. Okay? Now we can write this integral as it is from minus 5 to plus 5 mod of x plus 2 dx. Now we can break it as it is here minus 5 and it is 5, and in between these 2 points there is a point, that is this minus 2, and we know that this mod of x plus 2 is equal to minus times x plus 2 when x is less than minus 2, that is less than minus 2, that means in this interval, and x mod of x plus 2 is equal to plus times x plus 2 when x is greater or equal to minus 2, that means in this interval. Okay, so we can break this as minus 5 to minus 2 mod of x plus 2 dx plus integral minus 2 to 5 mod of x plus 2 dx. That is further equal to, it is integral minus 5 to minus 2, the mod of x plus 2 is equal to minus times x plus 2 in this interval, that's from minus 5 to minus 2, so we can write minus times, so we write minus sign here, minus times x plus 2, okay, dx, then plus integral from minus 2 to 5, that's in this interval minus 2 to 5, mod of x plus 2 is equal to x plus 2, it is equal to x plus 2 dx. That is further equal to, it is minus times minus 5 to minus 2 x dx, minus times 2 is constant, so it is minus 5 to minus 2 dx, then plus integral minus 2 to 5 x dx, then again plus 2 is constant, so we write it is 2 integral from minus 2 to 5 dx. Okay, now this is further equal to, it's minus times integration of x is x square by 2 with limits from minus 5 to 2, minus 5 to minus 2. Then we have minus 2 integration of dx, that is x, limits are from minus 5 to minus 2. Then plus, again integration of x is x square divided by 2 with limits from minus 2 to 5. then plus 2 is constant. Integration of dx is x with limits from minus 5 to, sorry, it is limits are from minus 2 to 5. Okay, that is further equal to, it's minus times, now our here upper limit is minus 2, so it's minus 2 square, minus 2 square, that is 4 divided by 2, then minus, lower limit is minus 5, so minus 5 square is 25, it's 25 divided by 2, then minus 2, again upper limit is minus 2, then minus, lower limit is minus 5, then plus, upper limit is 5, so it's 25, 5 square is 25 by 2, minus, lower limit is minus 2 square is 4, so it is 4 by 2, then plus 2 times, upper limit is 5, minus, lower limit is minus 2. Okay, that is further equal to, it is minus times minus 25 minus 4, that is minus 21 divided by 2, then minus 2, it's minus minus is plus, it is plus 5 minus 2, that is 3, plus 25 minus 4, that's 21 divided by 2, plus, it's 2 times, it is 5 minus minus is plus, 5 plus 2 is 7. That is further equal, it is minus minus plus, it is plus 21 by 2, minus 6 plus 21 by 2 plus 14. That is further equal, it is 21 by 2 plus 21 by 2, 21 by 2, so that's 2 times 21 by 2, so that is equal to 21 minus 6 plus 14. Okay, now 21 plus 14, that is equal to 35. 35 minus 6 is equal to 29, so that is equal to 29. Therefore the value of this integral is equal to 29. This completes the question. Now in my next lecture we will evaluate few more definite integrals from the same exercise. Till then, take care of yourself. Thank you.